it? I'm Jordan, and today we're going to be creating the walls of our house in Blender 2.93. So the first thing I'm going to do is delete everything, go add image, reference, let's go to our floor plan and remove all the rotation. Good. Now what I'm going to do is go add mesh, plane, I'm going to go in, item, and make the X scale, and I'm going to scale on the X 5.44 plus 3.61. Good. Now let's scale it down a bit. Good. Scale it up. Good. Okay. So now let's delete the plane. Let's rename the empty to blueprints and collection to blueprints. Good. And to keep these things clean, what I'll also do is add another folder, not inside there, so let's take it out. Another folder called walls. Good. Now let's select that folder and go add mesh and single vert and add single vert. So to get that, all you do is you go extra objects. So I suggest you enable both of those. Anyway, let's go back to edit mode and let's just move it right on the outside of the walls. So like that. Good. Shift EY, and just do this to all the walls. Okay, I've done. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rename this vert to exterior wall. Good. Now what I'm going to do is go into modify properties, but first let's go back in the edit mode and go EZ 2.7. Good, so it's nice and tall. And now let's go add modifier, solidify, and let's make this 240 millimeters. Okay, now this part looks a bit of weird as most of the corners look weird. So let's add even thickness. There, that's better. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go Command R and scroll twice. Now let's just go SZ and let's copy it. Good. Okay, now what I'm going to do is let's actually make it a little smaller like that. Okay, that's fine. Now let's do the same to this. SZ. And now we can just click F to fill it. Actually, no. What we do is we select the top and bottom parts. And as you see, now we got a nice window. So now we do it's to all the rest of the windows. Okay, I've done. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the interior walls. To do that, I just select the exterior walls and go Shift D, P selection to part it. Okay, tab into edit mode. And let's just move it to one of the interior walls. And let's go EY. EX, good. Okay, and now let's change the thickness to 120 mm, so it's 120 millimeters instead. Now let's go EZ 2.7 minus. Okay, good. Now let's check. Good. Okay. So now we're going to do that to all the rest of the interior walls. I'll be back when I've done. Okay, I've done. So Now what I'm going to do is rename exterior wall 0.002 interior wall. Good. And let's rename this to 2. Good. In fact, why do we have two exterior walls? Good, that's better. Now let's close the walls document. So this is the end of the episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye. In the next episode, what we'll be doing is adding in the windows. So bye.